Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start in the firmware. Reboot and enter UEFI/BIOS now, because we need to confirm settings and available secure boot options. Once inside, check and note firmware version and whether boot mode is UEFI or legacy. This determines steps ahead. If secure boot options are grayed out, make sure CSM is disabled and that your disk uses GPT. Meanwhile, keep a USB recovery drive plugged in and a backup of critical files. This prevents data loss if we need to convert partitions or reinstall an OS. Now perform the core changes. Disable CSM or legacy support and switch boot mode to UEFI, because secure boot requires native UEFI. If your drive is MBR, convert it to GPT using a tool like MBR2 GPT when supported. Otherwise, backup and reformat to GPT. This step explains why conversion matters for UEFI boot. Next, in Secure Boot Key Management, load factory defaults or import the Microsoft keys if you run Windows. For custom kernels, enroll the proper finish by testing boot. Let the system start and watch for secure boot errors. If the OS won't load, run startup repair for Windows or reinstall and sign your Linux kernel modules, because unsigned binaries are often the culprit. Once done, make sure drivers are signed or that vendor keys are enrolled. If you still hit blocks, temporarily disable Secure Boot to recover, then troubleshoot signing or key enrollment. A key tip: if changes break boot, restore BIOS defaults and retry the steps methodically while keeping backups accessible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.